We got this '07 Quest from down at the lot. Got a couple things to do to it before we get it ready. We got some tail lights right there that are messed up. We ran down to Nashville this morning and picked up some. They're in there. Got some other stuff like the little light thing's missing. We got this plastic stuff here to make this look better. Okay, I'm going to show you how to fix that stuff. Okay, so we got that one out. We used the 10mm to get these two bolts out right here. That's what it looks like on the other one. There's a bolt there, 10mm, and then just shake it until it pops out. Sometimes it gets a little stuck from the dirt. Okay, we're going to pop in the new one. Okay, we got that one on. Looks good. Now, got this one. So we take off this 10mm and this 10mm and just give it a shake till it comes out. Here we go. Use that process to change your taillight bulbs, your blinker, your reverse light. Simple. Okay, we're back here at Prestige Auto. We got the Quest back. Got it all cleaned up. Got the new tail lights on it. Looking good. Got her all cleaned up and ready to sell now. Found a little oil leak underneath. Was a gasket behind the oil filter housing. But she's ready to go.